All right, guys, in this video, we're going to be testing a couple cheap methods to get your headlights clean. You're going to be starting from a $4 to a $5 to the actual professional method. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this video.
Well, what are we here to do today? I was
Well,
thinking maybe taking a peek at those poopy headlights.
yes, my headlights are literally atrocious, okay? Come look these. Look at this one. Very cloudy. And this one, not as cloudy, but there's a little glimmers of sunshine coming out of this one. So we're going to show you how to clean these up. And one of these methods is literally like, I don't think you can get any cheaper. Here, I'll show you. All right. So we have method number one, okay? Is baking soda and vinegar. This method is costing me $4. I got great value because they have just such a great value. That's what it is. Second method, toothpaste with baking soda and peroxide whitening. Took me forever to find the right toothpaste. This isn't even the right toothpaste, okay? This is just what the best toothpaste they had at the Walmart that I went to, okay? And a pack of 3 of these cost a whopping $5. And then we have method number 3. McGuire's Plastics. Clear plastic cleaner and polish. So, when you're done with this, you're supposed to do like a headlight wax, but I didn't buy that because I'm a stage meister. And I bought this, and we're gonna see, does this perform better than this method? This costed me uh $20. This cost me a whole $20. Okay, so if this performs better than this and this, like this together is $9, and that was for 3 tubes of this white pearly stuff. So continue. We're gonna mix these cocktails up, and we're gonna see which one performs better. All right, so we're gonna start with our baking soda. We're gonna pour this in, open it up, pour it in. Now, outside of this, everyone has baking soda in their fridge, okay? Other than this, I don't know why else you use baking soda. You buy it, you put it in your fridge, that's it. Put some baking soda in there, approximately 3 tablespoons worth. Then we get some vinegar, and I think there might be a chemical reaction coming, but let's not worry about that, okay? Let's do this on the ground so we're safe, okay? Safety's most important. I should get safety glasses, but I'm a wild boy. Yeah, all right. Ooh, bubbly. All right. Now it just keeps coming up. All right. Oh, it's gonna stop. Oh, see. Now I did approximately, how much? I'd say approximately 45 milliliters worth. Now you go into get your stirring device. For me, I have a paper straw from McDonald's. This is gonna work awesome, and it will not break whatsoever. We all have them sitting in our car. Okay. Now I take the straw out of the wrapper. It's already bent for stirring, higher stirring capabilities. All right, now we pick it up. Ooh, jiggly, jiggly. Now we're gonna stir this for some time, and we'll come back when it's done stirring. All right, I don't know how long this is stirring. I've been stirring for approximately 8 hours now. It's another day. I'm just joking. I've been stirring for probably 2 minutes. So we're gonna prep. Okay, I know I'm a professional. We got painter's tape. This is the best tape because you don't want to get any like sticky stuff from the tape on the actual car. And this right there is the price. Dollarama, can't beat it. All right, so we're gonna put tape, and we'll come back to you when the tape's done. I'm not gonna show you how to put tape. Like, you should know how to put the tape, guys. Come on. All right, so I'll show you here. We got it taped up here. We're gonna try method 1 here, method 2 here, and then method 3, which is the actual like headlight store. We're gonna use on this one. All right, so you're gonna need some water to clean it up. So let's go get some in the car. We got a bottle of water, and what do we have to clean? A good question. We have random McDonald's napkins. These are the best cleaning tool. Like if you don't have a McDonald's near you, like could use regular napkins or maybe soap and water. But this is just the method that we're gonna be using today because I don't prepare very well. All right, it's pretty simple. You put water and then you just clean. All right, we're gonna come back when I'm done because you don't need to see how to clean. All right, so this is what we're gonna use. We have a sponge I bought for $10. Okay, we're gonna use this for one side is gonna be the actual McGuire's we're gonna use, and the other side we're gonna use this, the baking soda and vinegar. All right, let's start. You gotta get a little dab in action. Okay, that looks awesome. Get some swirly marks going. All right, so get some swirling action, and we'll come back when I'm done because I'm gonna be doing this for a couple minutes. All right, so we did it. I probably was going in a circular motion is the same thing I did in the video for a couple minutes. So now we're gonna try the toothpaste. Okay. Now, where did I get the toothbrush? That's a good question. This is just a toothbrush from home that I'm gonna use for this video. Okay. I just use an old toothbrush. No need to buy a new toothbrush because you use the new toothbrush for your teeth. All right. So, oh, this is not gonna come off easily. All right, so we're gonna do this and get the whole light covered toothpaste, which is gonna take absolutely forever. And we'll come back when we're done. Hopefully, there's daylight.
Go.
All right, so now we got all the toothpaste on. We're going in nice, clean, circular motion, as if we're cleaning our teeth, of course. Now, some of us don't know how to clean teeth and don't clean your teeth, so this is actually a pretty good video on show you how to clean your teeth as well. We're not going to be cleaning my teeth in this video, but we could come back, and that's definitely the endeavor we can go down. So you just keep going like this. I'm going to go like this for, I don't know, a couple minutes, and we'll come back when I'm done. All right, so now we're back. We've done each method, we've scrubbed it in circular motion for approximately about 3 minutes each. So now, usually you would use water for this, all right? But for some reason, I didn't bring any water with me. So we're gonna continue to use the vinegar. What towel am I gonna use? Just some random backlav I found in my car. So I have two. I have two backlavs, so at least I can use one for each headlight. All right, so let's see how easy this stuff comes off. Let's rip the paint. All right, let's just keep going with this.
That toothpaste is really coming off.
Yes, the toothpaste is coming off. Oh god, I
knew it.
Oh god. All right, the toothpaste is coming off whether it likes it or not. All right, there you go. All right, so we're gonna come back when this is all nice and clean. Okay, it might take a while. All right, so we're done, and this is the final product. So this was the toothpaste, and this was the vinegar with baking soda. Now the formula we did for the vinegar with baking soda wasn't like it was supposed to be more of a paste, and it was kind of liquidy, a bit too much. But I don't know about you, but it actually in person it seems that the baking soda and vinegar actually did a better job at cleaning than the toothpaste itself. So is it gonna be better than the McGuire's glue? That's not McGuire's glue, the McGuire's plastics, okay? Well, that's what we're gonna need to find out. And to do that, we're gonna have to do the other headlights. Now, look at this headlight, look at the other one. Big difference, okay? Now I'm using the same sponge, but I'm using the other side, so there's no contaminants, but my fingers are gonna smell like vinegar really bad. Like you can attest, like it smells pretty bad of vinegar right now.
It smelled like a chip.
All right. So you just get the glue on it there. Oh, wait. It's a new bottle, okay? There's no shenanigans going on this channel. right. Now I'm gonna pour it on the headlight and we're gonna scrubbity wub wub. All right. What what, does that look like too much? I don't
Oh,
even think that looks like enough. All right. We're gonna get scrubbing. Probably gonna add a bit more because that does not look like enough. All right. I'm gonna get scrubbing and we'll come back when I'm done scrubbing. All right. So we've been scrubbing for a while now. As you can see, it looks actually pretty good. So we're gonna get our other random backlav that we have just sitting in the car. We're gonna have to find that. Where did I put and we're gonna wipe it off and we're gonna see the difference. Now, so wipe this heat. And you can see that McGuire's actually does a really good job. I mean, it would because it's actually for the headlights. It take a bit to dry because I didn't bring a proper drying device, but that's as much as dry as we're gonna get this right now. So let's take a look at that. That actually looks, it's not a brand new headlight, but that actually looks good. Now let's take a look at this and compare it to the other one. Now this one is clean, but it's not as clean as the other one. Now this one was a bit cloudier than that one, so maybe the results are a bit skewed. But as you could see, that the vinegar with the baking soda actually did a better job than the toothpaste. But yet again I didn't mix this correctly. You're supposed to get like a paste from the vinegar and the baking soda, but compared to the McGuire's glue, actually looks pretty good. So now, what do you? Let's come here and let's see which one did a better job. It's kind of obvious which one did a better job. So we're going. It's gonna have to go with the McGuire's plastics because just look at it, like it's obvious.
listen, at the end of the day, you can either do it cheap and get it done okay, or you can just spend the $15 and get it done right.
All right, it's $15. It's a lot of money, but now you know. Now you don't have to spend the $8 that I spent. Okay, you watched this video, it wasted time on your life, but you saved $8 out of it. Who else can say that? You saved $8 from a YouTube video. So with that, we're gonna have to end the video here. And I want you guys to click anything that's around my head right now. YouTube wants you to watch these videos to save humanity. So you better watch these. And we'll see you next time. You think I could clean the toothbrush and use it later?
Oh, it's disgusting.
Oh, we're still filming?